welcome back to another video. So this is not a gadget review or unboxing or any tech explanation video. So we created a website for our channel. So I will explain you the features that we provide on this website that we have created. And in order to access this website, we didn't have any domain. So we hosted it on GitHub. We didn't use any web hosting services like Hostinger.com or GoDaddy. So we have used GitHub to host our website, right? So if you want to access this website, you have to go through this URL, right? So I suggest you to bookmark this, and we have couple of options provided over here, such as home, videos, apps, and connectors. So in videos, there are different segments: unboxing and reviews, tech explain, tips and tricks, tech tutorials, projects, and gaming flicks. So we added a little bit entertainment for you guys, so you can watch the gaming gameplays of different games, different popular games such as Apex Legends, PUBG, and more. So we will be adding more content in future. So this is a basic website that we have created for our channel. So this is the home page, and if you scroll down a little bit down, you'll be having a slideshow of top CEOs and founders of tech giants. So inspiration and the quotes given by them, so you can get some inspiration from them, and you keep yourself motivated after reading this quote, right? So that's why we actually put it over here. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find a little bit about us. So as you guys know, we four are the creators for this channel. We provide content. We four provide content and make videos for you guys. So you can find a little bit about us, and we do have our respective YouTube channel as well. So you can actually subscribe to our respective channel and you can support us, right? So once if you click on this subscribe button, it will be redirected to this respective channel, to our respective channel, right? So you can actually support us and you can actually subscribe us in case if you are interested in our content. And we have our Instagram handles as well. You can follow us on Instagram, so you can actually read about a little bit about us. In case if you are free, you can contact us, right? On Instagram, you can message us. We definitely try to reply. So if you go a little bit down, these logos denotes what content that we provide on this website. We provide content related to technology. We provide content related to programming. Of course, this is a very most important thing in order to develop this, right? And for entertainment, we provide gaming reels as well. So gaming videos we provide us. We have a pro gamer in our team, so he actually makes videos on gaming. So if you go a little bit down, so as you guys know, we four are the creators for Genius Tech, and our main motto is to deliver productive content for all, right? So this actually denotes what sort of content that we provide on this channel and what is the use of that. So more apps and features will be added in future, and stay connected. So you can actually subscribe to our channel Genius Tech. So you can click on this subscribe button. On that subscribe button, it will be redirected to this website. So please do subscribe. We provide a lot of content. You know, this is a popular language, and we provide a graphic designing course on this as well. So unboxing OnePlus Nord. So we did unboxing that on OnePlus Nord, and there is a next gen consoles all about tech explanation, right? I'll show it to you all about this. So you can subscribe us and you can support us over here. So if you go a little bit down, there you can find a Android app download link. So as of now, we didn't deploy it on the Google Play Store, and since it is still at the developing stage, right, we need to add some more features to this website, and we can deploy it on the Google Play Store. But it is 100% safe, so you can trust us. There is no virus at all. So it will show you that while installing, it will show you that this may contain malicious virus, but that is not actually true. We created, and it's actually safe, and you can download and you can install it. So in case if you have any doubt, go to virustotal.com. You can upload our Android app. You can scan for viruses. I tried it for myself when I was installing the app, and there was no engines detected by the VirusTotal website. Okay, so if you go a little bit down, we have a version 1.0. Of course, is the first website that we have created, and copyright and all that. So this is the basic minimalistic mint theme homepage. So if you go to this videos section, there are a couple of options provided over here. So let's start with this unboxing and reviews. So if you click on this unboxing and reviews, so it will reload a little bit slow since we hosted it on GitHub. but again it works very fine. So we have a cool animation over here. So as you can see, when we hover over it, it's actually doing some animation over there. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find more videos, unboxing and review that we did. So you can check out any of the videos which you like, and let's move on to the next tech explanation part. So here also we, as you guys know, we explained about NFC and wireless charging technology, next generation consoles, image processing, CRO and its applications, artificial intelligence and its applications, USB killers, and Android OS. So you can check that out, any of them you are interested in. Tips and tricks, we have a plethora of content in this tips and tricks basically. So you can see how to install Python and Android, how to enable Chrome dark mode, MSI, Dragon Center, use your data as safe. This one is very interesting video, so definitely watch this. And if you go a little bit down, how to root your phone and how to install Realme UI manually. And these are recommended phones and laptops. Okay, so these are the best photo and video editing apps and top 5 apps. And if you go a little bit down, there are the best websites in 2020. So there are 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Definitely you can see, you can watch this. So there is a cool animation, right? So if you scroll down, a little bit down, if you scroll down, you can see there is an animation over here. And to the bottom, there is a footer section with actually which represents the copyright and version details. So let's move on to the next one. So we have a tech tutorial. So as of now, we actually only have a Python tutorial, that too very 4 to 5 videos. So definitely we are working on this and we'll provide more content over here. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, that is project. So in projects also we have only 2 videos as of now, but those 2 are very interesting. This one is must, you have to watch. This is a human fall detection system, a feature of Apple Watch. Of course, if you are a tech people, tech savvy, you know about the fall detection feature of Apple, which saved so many of lives, right? So this is a prototype that we have did. So this one is IoT based project, so you can definitely watch this. And this one is ultrasonic obstacle detection using ultrasonic sensor. So definitely you can watch this if you are interested, and I suggest you to watch this. This is very interesting one. And if you go to gaming flicks that we actually gave you to watch and entertain yourself, right? So it is loading still. Okay, my internet is very slow. So as you can see, there is a small animation we added over here. So wait a second. So you can see there is an animation we added over here, right? So there is a gameplay related to PUBG, Uncharted 4 walkthroughs, Apex, and also Watchdog, and many more, right? Okay, so that's the video segment. Now we'll move on to apps. So in apps also, as of now, we created only one, that is to-do list. So I can go to, once if you click on this, it will be redirected to this website. So you know what do you mean by to-dos. You can add some tasks that you need to perform, and you can remove it, and you can play around with this app, right? So as of now, we provided only one app, and surely we'll be adding so many. So after this, we'll last move on to this connector segment, where you can actually connect with us. This is the same thing which you can find it on homepage as well, but pretty briefly we are talking about what sort of content that we provide over here. Okay, so mostly related to tech explanation, and the wireless charging and all that will provide by this person. And if you go a little bit down, this is a pro gamer. You can subscribe to his channel. So plethora of content available on his as well, right? So this is a pretty much basic website that we have created for this channel. So that's all for this video. So for some reason, for somehow, if you like the website, and you can access this website, we'll put a link in the description box below, so you can access it from there, and you can tell us the user experience. Let us know in the comment section below. And in case if you any feature that is missing over here, or any suggestion you want to give us, definitely feel free to comment us, and we'll definitely take it as a feedback, and definitely we'll try to improve it. And please share this website with everyone. It took a very long time to create this website, so please do subscribe to our respective channels and subscribe this channel as well. And also install this Android app to access our website very easily, and it is very responsive website. So in app also you can, it's well organized and very smooth to run. So tell us about the user experience and how the UI, everything, what you feel about this website in the comment section below. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in our next video.